Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, rush.
And we begin the autonomous period. A little bit of motion on the Red Alliance side. How about on the Blue Alliance side, Pete?
Roboties are really good at grabbing the innermost container. I noticed that when they were on your Red Alliance before, and we've got Big Bad Bob almost pulled off the autonomous again. However,
now we move into teleoperated, and all things are up in the air as we begin our quarterfinals. Speaking of up in the air, Red Alliance teams picking up noodles from the human player as they move into work on the human player stations.
Big Bad Bob handed off a, looks like a recycling container to the Roboties. And now the force team are working over in the landfill. Big Bad Bob dropping off 2 of those totes onto the blue dot for 20 points.
Uberbots working the landfill. They've got a stack of 4. They'll put that down. Meanwhile, their alliance mate, iRaiders, has picked up one of the golden totes. It is in an awkward position. We'll see what they can do with that a little bit later.
Big Bad Bob's got 2 totes right now with a recycling container on top, and it looks like they might even be going for 4 and getting some action going, because right now the Blue Alliance does not look too good on the scoring platforms, whereas on Red,
Uberbots putting down their second stack of 4, but where are those cans? They need to put some bins up on top of there to do the multiplication. Mecha Rams coming out with a stack of 6 with a bin and a noodle. That will help.
Roboties just laid out a stack of 5 with a can, and it looks like a Big Bad Bob is going to be doing the same thing. The only difference is one of them had a noodle, but now we got some towers being built.
Mecha Ram sets down that 6 with a bin and a noodle. Uberbots looking to pick up a bin maybe and put it on top of one of their stacks of 4. iRaiders beginning to work again with a human player, see what they can do to build a stack.
Bob picking up another can, and maybe they have time, maybe with just about 30 seconds left, to get a couple more totes out of there. And the force team is up to 3, but it is precariously perched inside their robot.
Uberbots puts up 1 bin. Let's see if they can go for 2 without disturbing those golden totes, which are blocking access to that stack.
Roboties working on making their last stack. Will they use 4 or 5 with just 15 seconds left? Or are they going to cut it and just put it down? I think Big Bad Bob's about to do that. I just heard something go crash over there.
Mecha Rams just dropped a stack. Here comes Uberbots with a bin, and they're going to be blocked by their alliance partner, who is eager to get those 20 points with the yellow totes.
Bob, when that settles out, who knows if that'll count or not. It's got to be fully supported by the totes. I don't know. Looking around, what do you think is going to be the cutoff score for these quarterfinals?
I think it's going to be about 120.
I'm going to say 121, Bob.